Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome Signed Exchange, also known as SXG errors, step by step, fully updated for 2026. SXG errors usually appear when pages fail to load properly from Google search, show certificate warnings, or break content delivery due to signature or cache issues. First, let's understand the cause. Signed exchanges are used by Chrome to serve pages securely from caches like Google search. Errors happen when certificates expire, content changes, or browser settings block SXG validation. Now let's fix it. First, update Google Chrome. Open Chrome://settings/help and install any available updates. Many SXG issues are caused by outdated Chrome versions. Next, clear browser cache. Go to Settings, arrow Privacy and Security arrow Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. This removes corrupted signed exchange files. Now disable extensions temporarily. Open Chrome://extensions and turn off ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions. Some extensions block SXG resources and cause loading errors. Next, check Chrome flags. Go to Chrome://flags, search for signed exchange or SXG. If any SXG-related flags are modified, reset them to default, then relaunch Chrome. Another important step is checking certificate trust. If the error appears on a specific site, open it directly without Google search and confirm there are no SSL or certificate warnings. For developers, ensure your site's certificate supports signed exchanges and that the SXG cache is refreshed after content updates. Invalid signatures will always fail validation. Finally, restart Chrome and test the page again from Google search. And that's it. By updating Chrome, clearing cache, disabling conflicting extensions, resetting flags, and verifying certificates, you can fix Google Chrome Signed Exchange errors effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.